Hello, welcome back. Somebody recently asked me what I did with my leftover resin. So I'm going to show you what I did with some of the molds that I use. I usually stick them in little ones like this for like nail art, but I haven't gotten into nail arts. But right now I'm just making up a collection. What else? I also put them in these, make little pyramids. Oops, sorry. I'm never prepared for this stuff. I also put them in these things. Once in a while, if I have enough, I'll make some crystals. Then I'll show you what they look like. I make lots of pyramids. I love my pyramids. Here's an extra little crystal. I suppose I could use them, some of them as cabochons. Recording. Yeah, here's the little micro ones for the nail art. Got some bunnies in there and stuff. Yeah, right now I'm just making a collection. I don't know what to do with them just yet. And here's my crystal collection. Yeah, because I never measure with any of it. I just fill up a couple of these cups, A and B, and then stir them around and whatever comes to mind. This is also what I do with my extras, if I have enough. I always like the alien stuff. Sorry, that's just me. But yeah, I'm just making a collection with my extra resin. I really don't know what to do with them just yet, but you know, it's all stuck in here. But you know, thank you for asking, guys. But this is another project I'm working on. It also has a glow-in-the-dark pigment in there. I think they're gonna turn out okay, but don't quote me on it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Namaste.